Rule 255. The members, you have mentioned her name. She was suspended for the remaining period of the meeting. So the house was adjourned yesterday around 4 o'clock. 3:35. And they were not allowed to enter. They were sitting in the central hall. Their ladies' bags were here in this house. They were supposed to come and take away their bags. They were after the adjournment. When there was no meeting, house was adjourned for the day. They were not allowed by the security people. And in the commotion, the glass pane was broken. And how come that the responsibility lies on her, and for that she will be suspended again today? What is going on in this house?
This matter is under consideration of Honorable Chairman. Honorable Chairman, please.
What is going on?
No, please, sir.
What is...
Nothing is going on record. Sri Ram Nath.
1 minute. Please, 1 minute. Please. देखिए, सर, कल का इंसिडेंट जो ये नया नहीं है कि प्रदर्शन करना या यहाँ पर अपनी बात रखने के लिए जो कुछ हम लोग करते हैं वो पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेटिक वे से ही करते हैं। और इससे पहले इसीलिए और ये मेरा कहना नहीं, इसी जगह पे जेटली जी ठहर के ये कहें कि डिसरप्शन इज ए पार्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। और उस सदन में स्वराज जी ने भी कहा,
सदन 15 मिनट के लिए
क्या है ये? सर, ये बड़ा अन्याय हो रहा मेरे ऊपर। मैंने सदन में जबकि उठ के खड़े हुआ और मैं ये सोचा कि जब पीयूष गोयल साहब लीडर ऑफ द हाउस, उनकी बात जब खत्म हो गई तो मुझे नेचुरली आप कहने के लिए समय देंगे, लेकिन मेरी आधी बात भी नहीं सुने, द हाउस एडजर्न हो गया। ये कैसा है? और मैं आपको क्या बताना चाहता था,
माननीय सदस्य जो स्थिति कर रहे हैं, खड़गे साहब आप देख रहे हैं हालात, और बड़े मेंबर हैं।
मेरे लिए यही है, अरे जब बिल पास होते हैं तो मेरी बात नहीं सुन सकते, तो इसीलिए सर मैं आपके नोटिस को लाना चाहता हूं। आपने 6 लोगों को यहां पर सदन से विड्रॉ करने के लिए कहा, टीएमसी के मेंबर्स को। रूल 255 के तहत आपने कहा। रूल 55 क्या कहता है? द चेयरमैन may direct any member whose conduct is, in his opinion, grossly disorderly to withdraw immediately from the council, and any member so ordered to withdraw shall do so forthwith and shall absent himself during the remainder of the day's meeting. So they have been withdrawn from only the day's meeting, not after adjournment. When the house is adjourned for a day, they came here to take their things, the papers and bags, whatever.
Honorable LOP, this matter is reported.
No.
This is question over. It is under consideration of Honorable Chairman. Please, it's under consideration of Honorable Chairman. I have already replied. Please.
I will complete. 1 minute. सर, जब हाउस adjourn हो गया तो वो लोग अंदर आना चाहते थे, लेकिन मैं वहां था, मैं यहाँ से उधर गुजर रहा था।
Please, this matter is under consideration of Honorable Chairman. This has been reported. It has
No.
Please, no.
ये रॉन्ग है।
Honorable Sukhdev Singh
ने कहा वो गलत है और आप गलती को सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो यू विल बी होल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल।
जी, लक्ष्मी जी, प्लीज।
सर, किसी को न प्रदर्शन पे आपत्ति है, न हंगामे पे आपत्ति है, हिंसा पर आपत्ति है। जिस तरह से लोकतंत्र के मंदिर को शर्मसार करने का षड्यंत्र और साजिश की गई है उस पर आपत्ति है। जिस तरह से यहाँ के सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर्स के साथ हाथापाई की गई है और वहाँ पर तोड़फेड़ की गई है उस पर आपत्ति है। आप पूरे के पूरे सदन को हाईजैक करना चाहते हैं अपने हिंसक गतिविधियों की वजह से। हमारी इस पे आपत्ति है। पीयूष जी ने ये बात कही है, ये नहीं कहा है कि आपके प्रदर्शन आप रोज इतने दिनों से कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हिंसक गतिविधियां आप सदन की कार्रवाई को हाईजैक है सर।
Yeah, under what rule, Mr. Jha?
58 and 110. So, my submission is very simple. It is not going to harm.
Just a minute.
Sir, it is not going to harm anyone. It is not going to create displeasure. Rather, it might address in restoring order in the House. Sir. Yesterday, sir, there was a bill which was being discussed, Airport Authority Bill. So, when the Rajya Sabha relayed the speeches of members of Parliament, many opposition members' speeches were not relayed on the platform. So that's very, very disturbing. I understand that some of us spoke very briefly on the bill and moved on to our core issues for which we are agitating. Sir, under the scope of the bill, 110. So, having said that...
Mr. Jha, just 1 second.
Sir, I said that...
You have, it's
Sir,
the rule 257
Sir,
is of general... It's of general nature. It is of general nature. So, and then rule 110
Honorable
is
Deputy
a
Chairman,
discussion
sir.
on motion.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir.
That
If you
discussion on
don't
motion
listen
on
to
bills.
me,
So I am
if you
taking up the
don't
bills
listen
now.
to me, how will you understand what
Thank
is
you.
my point of order?
I have heard you.
Sir, give me 30 seconds.
Okay.
Give
I heard
me
you already.
just 30 seconds.
I heard you already. I understand.
Sir, give me just 30 seconds. Sir, I understand. When you discuss a bill, you are supposed to speak on the bill. I agree that. And our mode of protest was different. But, sir, there is a minister, not the concerned minister, not the minister who moved the bill. There is a minister who functions in Ashu Kavi style. He recites poetry, never speaks about the bill. But still, his videos, his speeches get carried away.
Thank you. I heard you.
think that should be taken into consideration.
I heard you.
Sir, with your kind permission.
We can understand the parliamentary minister occasionally laying a paper on behalf of his colleague who is unable to attend the House for some reason. But every day we find the parliamentary affairs minister lays the papers for half a dozen ministers. Those half a dozen ministers don't respect the Rajya Sabha. Every day he's doing it. Every day. How can he do it? The other 6 ministers don't want to come to the Rajya Sabha.
माननीय चिदम्बरम जी, कल ये इशू ऑनरेबल आनंद जी ने उठाया था। माननीय चेयरमैन ने कोविड की स्थिति देखते हुए इस अरेंजमेंट को किया। Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General Shakti Singh Gohil, are you moving the resolution?
Sir, I move my resolution और पेगासिस राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा है। किसान दुखी है, सर महंगाई का इश्यू है। ये सरकार एरोगेंस छोड़े, डिस्कस करे हाउस में, ये मेरी मांग है। मैं मेरा रेजोल्यूशन मूव करता हूँ।
Are you moving the resolution on this? So if you have to move
मैंने
the
बोला
resolution.
सर, I am moving.
Thank you. The resolution moved. Sri Yadav to move a motion for.
जनाब, मैं ये कह रहा हूं, बिल बनने चाहिए, कानून पे उसका ध्यान देना चाहिए, परंतु दिल्ली के अंदर एक दलित बालिका का रेप करके जला दिया जाता है और सरकार उस पर ध्यान नहीं देती। मैं कहना चाहता हूं, गृह मंत्री क्या ड्यूटी कर रहा है? आप एक बात तो देखिए, दिल्ली के अंदर दलित बच्ची को जला दिया गया।
आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है?
मैं बिल में बोलना चाहता हूं।
You are not interested.
आप मुझे बिल में जाने दें।
Thank you. Thank you. The next speaker is Dr. Fawzia Khan. Fawzia Khan.
Next.
Chairman, sir, I welcome the initiative of the government to give a definite status to the tribal community.
Right.
They had an ambiguous status for the last 74 years. But at the same time, these tribals, they have other needs as well. They have needs of hunger. They have needs of filling their stomachs. These tribal women and men and children are going empty stomach because the prices are so high and because of the soaring prices in the nation. And
there are different schemes for the poorer section of society, so that nobody goes hungry.
We need a
Please come on the
discussion on
subject.
this. We need a discussion on soaring prices. So that
I do not think you want to speak. Please conclude. Please conclude.
country is not allowing them enough food.
I am allowing you, but you are not coming to the subject.
My point is that the tribals need a dignified, decent life where there is security in the nation for them.
Okay, thank you. You are not interested. Hey, Som Prasad. Hey, Soma Prasad.
Sir, even though I support this bill, I strongly oppose the attitude of the government, sir. The government is killing the parliamentary democracy. The government is killing the parliamentary democracy. There are several issues to be discussed in the floor, sir. But the government is not ready to discuss the issues, sir. The Pegasus issue, the farmers issue, everything is there, sir. The government is not ready to discuss these issues in this parliament, sir. Sir, I strongly oppose the attitude of the government, sir. The Pegasus issue should be discussed in the...
You are not interested. Thank you very much. Now,